Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be looking at an old school running shoe. This is the Nike Air Tailwind 79 in the sail, track red, and white colorway. Thanks to Luis from Luis and Nikki TV for suggesting them. He also suggested the Blazer, which I did in another video, so go check that one out. These retail for $90 on Nike's website, and I was actually surprised that they didn't come in a vintage box like the Blazers did. They just came in a regular Nike box. I'm assuming these are just part of a different collection. But anyways, let's get these open. Quick background, these shoes are actually the first to feature an air unit hidden in the midsole. The Tailwinds got a limited release in Honolulu just before the 1978 Honolulu Marathon. Then they got a full-blown commercial release in 1979, hence the name. Onto the materials of the shoe, it has a mesh upper with suede overlays. The midsole is made out of a soft rubber material, and we have a regular rubber for the outsole. Onto the features of the shoe, we have a long lightweight foam tongue with the vintage Nike logo on it, which is also embroidered at the back of the shoe on a red tab. We have of course a sail mesh that looks really good, the color gives it a really retro vibe. Then we have the red suede inserts as well as the big red Nike swoosh across the side. The shoe does also feature a glued down EVA insole that can actually be removed pretty easily. Lastly, we have the waffle pattern outsole that runs across the entirety of the bottom of the shoe. The stamp in the middle reads Beaverton, Oregon, USA 97005, which of course is where Nike's headquarters are located. One more thing I want to mention is that I saw a sizable amount of reviews on Nike's website saying that the shoes were not durable at all and it had to do with the midsole. People were even posting pictures of the deteriorated midsole, saying that it broke down after a few months of regular wear. Just something I think you guys should keep in mind before deciding to purchase the shoe. Make sure you do your own research. With that being said, I really like the simplistic design of this runner. I also really like the history of the shoe and what it means to the history of Nike Air technology. Well, that's pretty much all you need to know about the shoe. Let's get these on feet. Right off the bat, you can see how long the tongue is. I don't mind it, but I know there are people out there who don't like long tongues, so keep that in mind if you're one of those people. On feet, these shoes were very comfortable and fit true to size with no break-in time required. I was very surprised with the comfort of the shoes. The midsole has a ton of give and is very responsive. You can see the responsiveness when I drive my heel into the ground. I swear I can feel the air unit, but it could just be me, or maybe it's just the material of the midsole. Either way, a very, very comfortable shoe. The only thing that worries me is the cracking of the midsole. I hope my shoes don't crack. Gonna have to be extra careful with these since I really like them, but only time will tell if they crack. Well, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.